We were working off of a concrete floor when we opened the building in 1984. With epoxy, you have to shut your shop down. We can't continue operating because it can't be driven on. But with the tile process, you can put tile on a floor in sections and areas, and we don't have to shut the shop down. We don't have time to shut down. We can't put customers off, so we felt like if we shut the entire shop down, it would cost us a tremendous amount of revenue. They were able to work down, instead of shutting down 30 racks, we were able to shut down 3 at a time and continue operating. They were in the store from June 7th through July 28th, and they worked solid. They didn't take a single day off. They worked with us. They came to us if there was an issue or a problem that we needed to overcome, so it was very smooth. And then after the fact, AutoStone came in and showed us how to clean the floor. They sent a crew in. They cleaned every inch of the floor and stood there with our crew while they learned to clean. So it's been an amazing experience for us. And it was a very slippery, slidey area when it had the concrete floor and the ceiling. But now that we've put down this tile and it's a raised tile, I mean, it's been great to stand on and work on, make it a lot less hazardous. I don't have accidents of people sliding and slipping around, so it's been a blessing.
With the new tile that we have, your day's a lot easier on your feet than it was with just the regular concrete floor. So at the end of the day, you don't have the feet giving out before your body does, you know, so that's a good thing.
Nissan puts a tremendous responsibility on the dealers to keep up and maintain the floors and the systems, and having to pass those inspections every year, and now knowing that I've got a floor that should last us for the next 10 years, I don't have to worry about it every time I have a yearly inspection, is a breath of fresh air. I'm real proud of the store as it is and the remodeling that we've done, but this floor added a wow to it. I mean, 22,000 square feet of tile is amazing, and it looks beautiful.